The Graph Coin. Let us try to understand what it is all about. Graph is an indexing platform for querying networks. You can send queries to different networks to get different kind of information. You can publish so many APIs which are called subgraphs. So we can access the data very easily. We are making developers life very easy so that they can get access to so much predefined data. They can send a number of queries, they can get information which is already there, they don't have to develop so many things. So this is all about graph. Main purpose is to ease the life of developers who are working on decentralized blockchains. So let us look into further details. Let us try to understand Web3 ecosystem, which is the basis of the graph. If you look at here, the data, whether it is a public data or encrypted private data, it will be somewhere stored on various blockchains or storage networks or P2P networks. So that means all the information which is there available at various networks has to be extracted, and indexing shall be done with the help of graphing. Now let us try to understand this term indexing. Those who are into IT, they know it very well, but let us try to understand with an example. Suppose you go to google.com and you search the graph coin. Okay, what will be happening behind the scenes? Google will try to look into all the sources or all the available information sources, and they will extract all the data and index it based on the relevancy of the data. So this is what graph is going to do for all the data available on blockchains, storage networks and P2P networks. It will be helping to extract data with the help of API queries, which they are calling the subgraphs. With the help of subgraphs, developers will be sending queries at various networks, and that will be extracted and will be indexed in a required format so that they can use that information properly. So this is how the Web3 ecosystem will be working. Sending queries, indexing will be done, and the relevant information will be readily available in front of all the developers. So this was missing till date. It is going to save n number of days. Developers can complete 1 month's work within maybe 2 or 3 days. So they don't have to create their own databases to do the indexing, and there is no need to create API. All systems will be available ready-made into their hands, so they can do their work on fast track. So this is a basic behind the graph indexing and API system, which is called Web3 ecosystem. Let us look at various stakeholders who are involved in the process of developing a decentralized app. Okay, and how graph is performing things behind the scenes. If you see, there will be an indexer, curator, arbitrator, fisherman and delegator. Okay, and in the end the consumer will be using those apps. Now how the income is generated, how graph is generating income. Consumer pay indexers for queries. Okay, consumer will be the who is the end user, they are going to pay something. Those something will be converted into rewards and will be shared by all these stakeholders. Okay, so these stakeholders can be web services, middleware that integrate with the graph. So all the platforms who are going to use those apps, who are going to develop those apps, they are going to pay something at some stage of the project. So that is going to be a huge money, and this is how the graph is going to get benefited. So to summarize, there are two major services which are going to be provided by the graph network. One is hosted services, that means subgraphs are already built and those are available. And any developer can, who is working on any decentralized app, they can use existing subgraphs. So that is a huge benefit for all the developers. So one is this one, they are hosting the services. Then second one is network. As we have discussed, there will be indexer, curator, delegator who are going to work on these networks, who are going to create APIs or who are going to do indexing and all. So these two things are major contributor in the blockchain technology. So this is how they are going to get benefit. Now let us try to understand where graph is today, and we'll try to compare it with the few of the cryptocurrencies which are existing since many years. So let us try to understand. First of all, it is ranking 64 out of 93,000 coins which are already available. Okay, let us see why it is at 64. Its total circulation supply is up to this, and maximum is 10 billion. So out of 10 billion, only 12% is in circulation right now. So current price is around 1.4. So based on that, the market cap is this. If you talk about all the current total supply, then the total market cap is around 14 billion. So if you see, the current market cap is around 1.7 billion, and this is compared to large cap coins, it is nearly nothing. So there is a huge scope to rise from current levels also. So if you see here, I have taken four top coins. Bitcoin, it is around 1 trillion. So if you talk about 1 versus 1000, so there is a huge gap. Even if you see 53 versus 1.7, still there is a huge scope to rise. I'm not saying it is going to cross XRP or BNB or Bitcoin. I'm just comparing with these two, these four coins, and just trying to visualize how much scope is there to rise from current levels. So let us try to understand its journey from starting. Okay, in last December it was around $0.1. Currently it is trading at 1.5, and last week it touched around 2.7. So it has already gone 20x from its initial days. But looking at the fundamentals and at current scenario of crypto market, it has a huge potential and can go up to $3 to $5 very easily in coming months. Okay, so this is what we have discussed here. You can look into its fundamental at different sources and decide whether to go for this coin or not. I am sure this is going to be very good project in coming future, as most of the blockchains will be using the index feature, will be using its hosted services. So this is going to be huge in crypto market. It's one of the good projects, and anybody can get into it at current levels also. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned.